Hey, good morning guys. Welcome to the Trucker John Show. Today is Monday, June 24th, 2019. I just got done delivering the first stop here in Barativa, New York. And then I'm heading over to Henrietta, New York to make our second delivery. Then we're going to be heading back down to Breinigsville to make a drop and hook and head out for tomorrow's delivery. Glad you could be here, guys. Thanks for joining me. Okay guys, we are rolling. Just getting on the thruway here to go from Barativa over to Henrietta. And we got 33 miles to go. Right. Should be there right about 2:15, which is still within the delivery window. Got a gorgeous day here. I'm showing 79 degrees right now. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice day. Okay, we are here at our second stop in Henrietta. They're unloading me now. Shouldn't be here very long. Only got about a third of a trailer. All right, guys, we are empty. We just pulled out of the dock here, and we got to get our doors closed and wheels slid, and then we'll be on our way. It got nice and warm out this afternoon. It's getting to be kind of like summer. Yeah, well, we got about a 5-hour ride back down to Breinigsville. I don't think I'm going to be stopping anywhere, but you never know. That smells like somebody's barbecuing around here. Yeah, there's a couple of restaurants up in front, so probably what it is. Okay guys, we are rolling on out of there. We're on the highway already. We got to be back down in Breinigsville about 8:30 or so. 8:30, 8:45. Yeah, apparently that store told me after they unloaded me that the previous stop had left a pallet on there. But they signed for everything, so they kept that pallet. They'll transfer it back over to the other store. But see, I don't do any counting of the freight. I don't do anything. I'm not allowed to break the seal. That's all on them. So anyway, we got 2 clean bills of lading, so we ain't got nothing to worry about. The guy that at the first stop, he should have saw that pallet and got it off the trailer, but he didn't. get hooked up to our loaded trailer. We're a little tight for time. I really kind of got to make it to the first store tonight, so I'm not late on the second stop tomorrow. All right, 6781. Got the lock on. All right, so we're all hooked up now. Just got to finish up our paperwork, and I'm hoping I make Victor. Really need to make Victor tonight. Okay, guys, we're all hooked up to our trailer. I'm just signing the bills of lading and getting ready to leave here. Gonna be a close one. We got 5 hours and 6 minutes left we can drive. It's 276 miles, so mathematically that works all right, as long as I don't get any holdups. Our 14 hours is down to 5 hours and 32 minutes. So we got to make sure we get there, which if we don't make it, we'll be okay for the first delivery. It's the second delivery that we're going to have problems with. So that's why I'm kind of in a rush. I don't want to have them have to change any of the times or anything. All right, guys, we're going to use the toll road tonight. Fastest way to go, so we're going to use the northeast extension of the Pennsylvania Turnpike up to Scranton. And then we'll go right on up 81 and to Syracuse, and we'll get on the thruway there. Fastest way to go. We should be, now that I'm looking at it, we should be in pretty good shape. I'm thinking that we should have about an extra 15 or 20 minutes, so if we can't make it, there's plenty of places to park right before we get there, or within 30 minutes. There's a big petrol truck stop there in Waterloo, New York, we could stop at. Well, we should be good to go, though. Okay guys, I'm going to call it a day. I'm here in Victor, New York. I want to thank you guys for stopping in and watching the Trucker John show. And give me that old thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you'd like. And if you like the content, please subscribe. Okay, we'll see you next time.